Hi, this is Mr. Rushkin. What we're trying to do is we are trying to clean up main, and one way to do that is to get rid of this big case thing, which is busting out numbers for us. We can make this much cleaner, simpler. It'll look better, I guess, basically, if we do it this way. So what we're going to do is the way we have it written to is that we have a variable in main, which is like the num list. And if we're going to keep that, then we have to do something this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the bottom of main. We already have this public static report time function. I'm going to go like this and say public, I guess static, and then I'm going to return the num list, okay, to it. So it's going to be public static int, and we'll call it like make numbers, okay. And it's probably going to need some data because it probably needs to know int how many numbers, right? And then we have to go int which case is it? Okay, because if it's the best case, we make them a different way, and if it's a number, if it's not, I call it what case actually. Okay, like that. Okay, and then what it's going to do is it's got to return a number list. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so I already have a lot of stuff made. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to copy basically everything down to here. Okay, that's your switch. Let me see if the switch is its own thing. I guess it is. Okay, so this is the whole switch. So I'm going to go down here, paste this in here, and like let's try to look at what's going to happen. Okay, so we do this, make a new num list, and then it runs it depending on what's happening. And then the only thing we really need to do is return num list. And that's a return. Okay. So now we'll test this out and see if we need to use this now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to comment this out. Okay, that's good. And then what we can do here is that we can have an integer num list. And you could do this all in one command, but you can say num list equals this dot make numbers how many. Okay. What else did we do? Oh, we have to send it how many in what case. Okay. And see, now it's happy. Okay. So make numbers. But basically it'll just work. We got best case here. Boom. And there you go. You got your times. Got your thing there. Right, everything's good. And so then what we can do then is take this whole thing out. Okay, so that's basically what it looks like. And now we have these sort of static functions to do things for us so that everything sort of makes sense and it's easier. So now we just make the amount of numbers. We say what case, it makes the numbers. You can even go like this. Put it all in one statement. This prints out the numbers. We do sorting things. We get the time and report the time. So here again, we're like going to do this, right? Here we're making our object, and that's it. So the code looks a lot neater, and that's a help. All right, so give that a try, and we'll talk to you later.